The 20 Greatest Mathematicians. Anaxagoras. He was an outstanding mathematician and astronomer. He discovered the precise explanation of eclipses and stated that the sun is larger than the Peloponnese. Antiphon. Antiphon discovered pi's value and was the first to calculate the upper and lower bounds of pi by inscribing and circumscribing around a circle, the polygon, and then calculating the areas of the polygon. Xenocrates. He places a strong emphasis on the mathematics of number theory, and all of his published works are based on geometry and number theory. He could quickly determine the number of syllables in an alphabet. Diocles was a profound geometer and mathematician. He was renowned for his discovery in the subdivision of geometry. The sesoid of Diocles method was employed to discover a solution to doubling the cube, which is referred to as the geometric curve in mathematical texts. Proclus produced an alternative statement of Euclid's famously problematic parallel postulate. This formulation was later restated by John Playfair in 1846 and became known as Playfair's axiom. Luca Pacioli. He produced an influential book on arithmetic, geometry, and bookkeeping, as well as he introduced standard symbols for plus and minus. He is also widely regarded as the father of accounting and bookkeeping. Niccolo Fontana Tartaglia. He founded the modern science of ballistics. He disproved Aristotle's assertion that air could sustain motion and provided comprehensive solutions to cubic equations. Girolamo Cardano. He acknowledged the existence of imaginary numbers and published Tartaglia and Ferrari's solutions to the cubic and quartic equations. Johannes Kepler. He discovered that the planets in the solar system travel on elliptical paths and that the moon is primarily responsible for the tides. He proved how logarithms work, discovered the inverse square law of light intensity, and showed that his laws of planetary motion led Newton to discover the law of gravitation. John Wallis. He was the founder of infinitesimal calculus and introduced the symbol for infinity, and also the one who popularized algebra. He was the first to use the number line with both positive and negative numbers, and he was the first to discover the concept of momentum conservation. Blaise Pascal. He invented Pascal's triangle of binomial coefficients, a key concept in probability theory. His contributions to probability theory helped shape modern economics and social science. Brooke Taylor. He made several important analysis-related discoveries, including the development of what is now known as the calculus of finite differences and significant contributions to the field of mathematical physics. Gaspard Monge. He is called the father of differential geometry, and his most well-known geometric theorems are the three circles theorem and the four spheres theorem. George Thomas Peacock. He created symbolic algebra, early attempt to place algebra on a strictly logical basis. Charles Babbage. He created the difference engine, and he is the father of the computer. William Rowan Hamilton. He invented the quaternion theory as a way of describing three-dimensional problems in mechanics. John Venn. He introduced Venn diagrams into set theory. David Hilbert. He contributed to a host of concepts, theories, and postulates, including Hilbert's space, Hilbert's program, and Hilbert's problems. Amalia Emmy Noether. Her theorem revealed a fundamental truth about the universe, that every conservation law has a corresponding invariant. Her groundbreaking work in abstract algebra revolutionized the field of mathematics. Ronald Aylmer Fisher. He created experimental design and the statistical concept of variance, and he combined Mendel's law of inheritance with natural selection to create the new field of population genetics.